Hello beautiful girls, I think you all are doing well. In this YouTube channel, you will get to know how to protect our natural beauty without doing any harmful things to look pretty. So stay with me, you will learn so much more. Today I'm going to share something really special, a magical and 100% natural hair mask and a hairspray you can easily make at home. I got the result from this, so definitely you will too. Trust the process, do it as I tell you. Apply the mask once a week and hairspray daily. From the very first time you try this mask and the spray, you will see the difference. Before we start, let me quickly tell a few things about this hair mask and the spray. This is a deep conditioning treatment. These ingredients helps to nourish, strengthen and repair your hair. So it can reduce hair fall, make your hair soft and shiny and promote healthy growth. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Here is what we need. Fenugreek seeds, great for strengthening hair and reducing dandruff. Curry leaves, promote your hair growth. And natural aloe vera hydrates and soothes your scalp. I need to cut this aloe vera into pieces. Add these ingredients into a pot. Then we can boil all together. Boil for a few minutes until the color change. You need to boil this on low heat. Now the color of the ingredients has changed, so let it cool completely. Now strain the mixture to separate the water from this. Then blend the mixture until you get a smooth paste. Add some water to blend it smoothly. This is our nourishing hair mask. This strained water is our hairspray. Now pour this into a bottle and keep in the refrigerator. You need a spray bottle. Now let's apply the mask to the hair. First, divide your hair into small sections as this makes it easier for the mask to reach the scalp. Then start applying the mask from the roots to the end of your hair. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes and then wash your hair. This is our magical hairspray. You can spray it on your wet hair after bathing. If not, spray it on your hair and also on your scalp before bathing. Then you have to leave it for 30 minutes and wash it off. So this is the magical hair mask and the hairspray. I think you all enjoy this video. So don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and hair care tips. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.